Hi, I'm Monica Burrell, and I'm the CEO of a Portland startup called Cardsmith. And the reason I'm reaching out to you, thank you, by the way, for agreeing to watch this video. I'm reaching out to people like you because you are experts in Agile, especially with large, complex projects. And we've recently discovered some of our customers using Cardsmith for a very specific application having to do with planning their sprints and mapping out dependencies across teams and across sprints.
Some of these teams use a physical board such as this one. The problem is that with this physical board, if you've got people in a remote location, they can't see the board and productively engage in the sprint planning meetings. Some of these teams have actually used cell phones to try to record the meeting, but that's been frustrating for those remote team members. Using Cardsmith allows everyone to not only clearly see the board, but to actively participate. If someone notices a missing story card, they can add it directly into the Cardsmith board themselves. And we can integrate with existing project software such as Jira. Each story would come into Cardsmith as a card, and then in Cardsmith you can create connectors between the cards. The arrows can be used to show the direction, and in this board, our arrows should be flowing to the right if our dependencies are going to be done before the subsequent stories. And so what I can do is drag the cards into the sprint that makes sense. We can even put story points inside the cards and have them total up in the grid to make sure we're not overloading our resources.
I'm curious if you have any feedback about this. Do you think this is unique? Do you think that this is something that teams would use? Do you have any thoughts about this? Things that we would need to watch out for, or features we might need to make sure that this actually meets a need? I would love to hear your feedback. You can reply to my LinkedIn message or email me at monica@cardsmith.co. Thanks a lot.